In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and delete an audio recording on Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation with voice narration or want to remove an audio file, I'm here to guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to launch the application if you haven't already. Once you've got PowerPoint running, we'll move on to the next step, which is opening the specific PowerPoint presentation where you wish to add or remove an audio recording. Navigate through your files and open the desired presentation. Next, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint interface. Here you'll find a ribbon with various tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This is your gateway to adding media to your presentation. Within the Insert tab, look for the Media section, generally located towards the top right of your screen. Here you'll see the audio option, and this is where the magic begins. Click on Audio, and you'll be given the option to either add an audio file from your PC or to record audio directly onto a slide. For the purpose of our demonstration, let's choose Record Audio. This is a great feature if you're keen on personalizing your presentation with your own voice. Once you've selected Record Audio, a dialog box will appear. Pay attention to this box as it includes essential controls for your recording. In the dialog box, you'll notice a record button. Click it when you're ready to start recording your audio. Speak clearly into your microphone and ensure your environment is quiet for the best sound quality. When you're satisfied with your recording, hit the stop button. With the recording completed, click OK in the dialog box to save it to your presentation as an audio clip. Now, your presentation has a unique touch that can enhance the delivery of your content. But what if you want to delete that audio recording later? No problem. It's a straightforward process. Simply locate the audio file on your slide, click on it to select it, and then press the backspace key on your keyboard. This will immediately remove the audio from your presentation, and there you have it, a handy guide to adding and deleting audio recordings in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're adding narration or adjusting your presentation by removing audio, these steps will help you manage your media with confidence. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your future presentations.